Hi guys, it's the ALPHA RECON ELITE Deployment. Sorry for not publishing yesterday, but I tried to get a better video to share the knowledge that I've learned from this. In this video, we will test the strength of the Gorilla Glass lens protector from the Runcam Scope Cam and how to switch the lens protector. Also, we will test the footage at several ranges with several weapons. We will test it using an AEG, a non-blowback pistol and a blowback pistol. We hope that you enjoy. My op-up lever is loose, so it moves around and changes my op-up settings. My first thoughts on this camera are: this wasn't made to be used in pistols. Period. You can't even see the BBs. I think that the best test that we can perform on our gear is by passing through unpredictable problems like this one. But let's shoot it out. Sorry about making the last part of the video a little bit improvised, but I just thought, why not record this and share what I've learned. What? I am impressed. How can I shoot an already damaged glass twice and it still doesn't break? Only the third BB destroyed the lens protector. To change the lens protector, it's really simple. I thought that I was recording, but I wasn't, sorry about that. But it's really easy, it takes about 1 minute. You just need a screwdriver to scrap the old lens protector and the glue. Then you remove the glue from the new lens protector and put it on the aluminium body, and you are ready to go. The aluminium body, it's good. Just scraped a little bit of the paint from the camera, nothing major. I'm amazed with the lens protector because it was already damaged and I shot it 3 times and only on the third time it broke. And it broke on the part that was already shattered. I think to make this a good test, we would need a lens protector intact, but I think the lens will survive a 10-15 meter hit. Well guys, hope that you enjoyed, hope that you have learned, and if you liked, Make sure you subscribe us, guys, so you keep supporting us, and we want to wish you a great week. Alpha out.